You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time to find.
6 innovative startups in India. On number 6, C6 Energy. If America has a Silicon Valley, India's biotech industry has C Camp in Bangalore. One of the promising startups being incubated here includes C6 Energy. All our cars and stoves run on fuel, but the demand for more and more fuel is dangerous. To get over this problem, C6 has a unique idea: grow algae on seawater and use the resultant algae biomass to produce biofuel. Their plans presently include making renewable chemicals and food additives using algae. Their first product, AgroGrain, is meant to increase crop. On number 5th, Lechal. Walking while looking down at the mobile for direction is very irritating. But what if your shoes itself could help you find the directions? Along with voice commands and fitness tracking, its main feature is the vibration it produces as feedback. This will help you find your route and get back to it if you are lost. This also works in the absence of the net connection. Further, it is available at a price of around 7,000 rupees. Launched in 2016, 10,000 units were shipped within 5 months. On number 4th, Idea Forge. If a startup chooses to not enter the private sector courtesy its large government contracts, that's something. Founded by 5 IIT graduates, the group was spotted by the India's very own DRDO in 2008 competition, held by the Indian Army and USA's Department of Defense. One thing led to another, and today's company's drones are a part of many important movements in our country, be it Mumbai's Ganesh Utsav or the Pathankot operation. Its potential can be seen in the fact that in 2016, it was invested by an Indian company called Infosys. Right now, it is tough to sell drones commercially in India, but Idea Forge hopes to be a big part of India's drone market. On number 3, Jet Set Go. In today's time, when plane seats get smaller and smaller, won't it be nice to stretch out and travel in your own plane? First, a platform to connect private jet owners with flyers, it has now taken planes on management contracts from the owners. At the same time, it has a dedicated quality department for its regular users. The company also provides helicopter for traveling or for a one-time experience. This luxury experience has enabled it to record a 700% rise in the revenues in 2016. In fact, their reputation has grown mainly through a word of mouth. On number 2nd, Junkart. How do you bring the Kabadiwala online? While there have been many startups which have tried, Junkart has succeeded in it. Instead of calling out to the local Kabadiwala, you just need to call or go on their website. After your order is registered, the Kabadiwala will himself come to pick up your scrap. Security is also not an issue, as both the Junkart staff and the pickup man will call and confirm before and after the scrap is picked up. While they are currently active only in Delhi NCR, and the plan is to expand to other metros soon. On number 1st, Stan Plus. Getting an ambulance on time is crucial for saving lives. While the ambulance for hire space is crowded in India, Stan Plus is one of the leaders. With one of the largest fleet sizes of 300 ambulances, they even own some of them. Focusing on Hyderabad and areas around it, they claim that over 90% of the city is just